Hello and welcome to Jatim News Channel, Center of Factual Information of East Java. I'm Brian Shadimandri and here is today's news.
A housewife in Kediri successfully runs eco-print batik business utilizing the nature to create beautiful batik. A tradition called Sedekah Desa was held in Jombang to show the villagers gratitude of abundant harvest they obtained. Telangria Beach, a tourism spot in Pacitan, offers the perfect spot to surf for beginner surfer.
COVID-19 pandemic made a dry his creativity helped him earning profit of million rupiah per month. We still have more interesting information, so don't go anywhere, and Jatim News Channel will be back after break. Welcome back to Jatim News Channel. A tradition called Sedekah Desa or village alms was held in Jombang. This tradition performed to show the villagers' gratitude of abundant harvest they obtained. And that last report wraps up today's edition of Jatim News Channel. All of the information can be re-accessed on our YouTube channel TVRI Jawa Timur.